next topic is Yom Kippur. So first, Erev Yom Kippur. Although the obligation to eat Erev Yom Kippur is time-bound, most authorities obligate women to do in doing so. This is in order to prepare for the upcoming fast. So it's very interesting. Many times we said that all of the time-bound mitzvahs are not applicable to women, but this one is like it's for her own benefit, right? If since she's obligated to fast, if she's not going to eat this meal right before the Yom Kippur, so that's a big problem, right? So she would not be able to fast and concentrate on praying and get the forgiveness. That's why we obligate her to eat. Okay. In the most community, the custom is to light candles in honor of Yom Kippur, as we do on Friday night. The blessing Lachadlik Ner Shel Yom Kippur is recited. So it's you don't have to remember. It's actually in all of the Sidurim that I saw. It's on a page where you have lighting of Shabbos candles. So right there should be for Yom Kippur. It's a little different language, but it is there. So we light candles on before the Yom Kippur, because why? Because it is holiday. It is holiday. There is obligation for both on both women. 1 second, sir. There's obligation on both probably men and women. Maybe they miss a word, to accept the fast. Yeah, probably they missed a word. Yeah, both men and women to accept the fast on Yom Kippur in a short time before the sunset. So even though the fast usually starts with sunset or with nightfall, no, with sunset, right? But here our tradition is actually start before the sunset, and before the sunset, actually we have to go to the shul, right? We have to start Kol Nidra before the sunset usually. A woman accepts Yom Kippur, and she lights the candles. Therefore, once she has lit, she may not eat, drink, or perform any forbidden labor. Leather shoes should be removed before the candle lighting. So it's one of the prohibitions on Yom Kippur. We're not allowed to wear leather shoes. So they say remove shoes before the candle lighting. Why? Because as soon as you lit the candles, women, right? As soon as a woman lit the candle, that's it. It is holiday for her. So if she will be staying like in her leather shoes or leather slippers or something, so it would be already violation.